Next is the distinctions between the economist view of the term cost and the accountant view of cost. According to the economist, cost is viewed from the angle of explicit and implicit cost. That is, the economist views cost as explicit and implicit cost. It looks at the cost of every input into the business and what goes out as expenses, which we mean by explicit and implicit cost. The accountant, on the other hand, views cost as explicit cost only. That is, what goes out as expenses. The accountant considers the expenses for him to be able to determine the total net income for the business. Another area of difference is this: while the accountant views cost from the angle of money cost, the economist's view of cost is based on the concept of opportunity cost. Those are the basic distinctions between the economist and the accountant view of cost. Next is the difference or distinctions between short-run and long-run production cost. Now, what do we mean by short-run and long-run? The short-run cost is a production planning period in which all the variables, all inputs vary except one, and that one is the fixed cost. Meaning in the short run, all the variables will vary, but one remains constant, or one is held constant, and that is the fixed cost. But in the long run, all variables vary. That is, the long run cost is a production planning period in which all variables vary. All hands are on deck, all factors are contributing to the production process in the long run. That's it on the difference between the short and long run cost.